Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your settings to connect to edtech2 using Dreamweaver CS6 as well as FileZilla. For those of you who are current students who have been using the edtech2 server for perhaps a couple semesters or even years, we recently over the winter break made some changes to make it more secure. And so now you have to use what's called explicit FTP, and I'll actually help you see what that really means. It's basically a type of secure FTP. And so in Dreamweaver, be aware that you have to have Dreamweaver CS 5.5 or CS6. Earlier versions of Dreamweaver, like CS4, CS5, don't give you this option. If you own one of those older versions, you're going to have to use another tool like FileZilla or another FTP tool that will allow you to connect the way that you need to, or you would have to upgrade to the newest version of CS6. So in Dreamweaver, I would simply go to my site, and then I go to Manage Sites, and I'm going to find my site right there that I want to update. I'm going to hit the pencil, make sure it's highlighted, hit the pencil. Then I'm going to click on servers, and I'm going to click over here, and you notice that it says FTP right now. I'm going to want that actually to say FTPES. So I'm going to click with it highlighted, going to click the pencil, and keep in mind that I have access to the whole edtech2 server, so my settings might look a little different, especially with the root directories different, but all you need to do to change is from FTP, you want to actually use this FTP over SSL, explicit encryption. You don't want to use SFTP or implicit, you have to use explicit. So now if I hit test, it says I was able to successfully connect. So all is good. I'm going to save, and done. And just like that, you should now, if you look over here, be able to connect successfully. So that looks great. So now let's take a look at FileZilla. Be aware that FileZilla is an open source application that you can download for free if you've never used it. So if I Google FileZilla, you'll find it here, FileZilla-project.org, and it is cross-platform, so it will work on PC or Mac, and so you can download that for free. And so when you open FileZilla, it looks like this. If you've used it in the past, you can simply click on this little button in the top. You can see I have my site here. And in the past, I just used FTP. So now what I want to use, make sure encryption, I change it to explicit. And then when I do that, and I hit connect, you will find, it says OK, you'll see connected just fine. And so FileZilla is a little different than Dreamweaver in the sense of you have your remote files on the right, and you can see your local files on the left. So right here, this is showing you my desktop files. If I click in Documents, and so it's a matter of I can simply drag files over, and it works similar to the FTP tool in Dreamweaver. So let's close this. Last but not least, let's say that you use Firefox to connect. So you can use one of the add-ons extensions, and so I've already installed this, and under Web Developer I have FireFTP. So with this, you just have to make sure, I'm going to go to Edit, I'm going to click on Connection. You have to make sure that the security is set to SSL, and if you do, you should find that you're able to connect using Firefox, specifically FireFTP as well. Thanks.